Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how we can use transfer order into our sales order. So first of all, I will go to my sales order. I will go to my sales and marketing. I'll expand the sales order and I will navigate to my sales order form. And I will create a new sales order. Okay, now the scenario is, let me go to this on hand list form. You can go to inventory management, and you can go to inquiries and report. You can click on hand list and then you can search for your product. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create my sales order for my site 1. And so so I will create sales order for my site 1 and assume I will add some other warehouse here where I don't have this item available. Okay, so in this scenario, how we can use this transfer order, we'll see that. Okay, I will click on new and I will select my customer. Let me select here, or let me create my own customer here. I will go to view details and I will create a new customer first. So I'll click on new. So I will say the customer as D365 new, and here this customer group is important field here, so I will say this as wholesale customer, and name also I will keep it something like D365 customer. Here also let me edit it cust, and let me add a zip code as well here. So let me take this only, the first one, and I'm going to select this. We'll say test street, and I will save this. So I'm simply creating a customer for my sales order, and I will go back, and I will go back, and here now this customer will be available, so I can say D365 cust would be my customer, and I will select this. It will auto populate all the delivery name, address, and etc information. I will click OK here. Now my sales order is ready with all the basic information that basically gets copied from my customer. Now I will need to add my product, so I'm going to say this D365 product is the one for which I want to create my sales order. So I will click here. Okay, assume my customer demand 20 quantities from me, so I will say 20 quantities, and here I will need to select my site and warehouse as well. So I can specify site and warehouse here. Now the interesting thing is I'm going to select site 1 and warehouse is let me select this warehouse, this 11 GIT. The reason why I'm selecting this warehouse, because in this warehouse, okay, transit good, so I need to change it. Let me select 18. Okay, I have selected this 18 warehouse, and if you see currently in 18 warehouse, this product is not available. Now as this product is not available inside my this warehouse 18, so when I do confirm picking and invoicing and all this, my complete sales order process, so I'm not able to do it successfully. So that's why what we need these quantities from these warehouses to this warehouse number 18. Okay, now the solution is simple. You basically go to your inventory management, go to outbound and simply click on transfer order. But the but basically here what you can do, you can simply click on this product and supply. From here also you can simply create your transfer order. Now the only thing is that you need seed. It is auto populating you to warehouse. From where? Because you need you need to sell, or you need to transfer these many quantities, like 20 quantities of this product to your customer from warehouse number 18, but you don't have. So that's why we are creating a transfer order. So 18 is basically coming here. Now from where you need 18 quantities. So let's see, where do we have these quantities? The quantities, we have the sufficient quantities in our new warehouse. So I can simply select here inside my from, I can select new warehouse. I'll click OK. And now what will happen? The transfer order will get generated for us. And here we can do our shipment and receive. Okay, so now I will simply do my ship transfer order, and I will say all quantities I need. I will click OK. And now I will receive these quantities. I will click on receive. Here I can choose my shipment quantities. I can simply click OK. And now my shipment is completed. Now when I will do confirm and picking list and registration, I will not get any kind of issues. So let me open the sales order and complete the process. Now the first thing is that I will confirm my sales order. I can click here. And now when you will click on refresh here, so you see you already have these quantities available here, 18, 20 physically available. So my sales order is getting confirmed. Now the next section would be the warehouse worker will pick this item, then it will pack this item, and it will move to your customer location, that is this Test Street, NH 00210, United States. I'm still waiting. So operation is completed. Now I'll do pick and pack, and here now interesting thing is, if you see currently, okay, on order is this. Okay, let me click on this filter button. So we get all the picture here. On order is 20. Now let me click on. Okay, so you see your on order is here, available for reservation. And now when I will do shipment, let me try to post it directly. Okay, go to parameters. I will say all. Okay, and all the information is available here. So if you want to skip the picking list, you can even do that. There's no issue on that, because many times picking might not be needed in certain business scenarios. So that's why you can directly post packing slip. Now this will get packed and will move to your customer, and then you can do your invoicing. So click on invoice. I will complete this process. Okay, here I will select packing slip. This is a packing slip version, and I will click OK, and I will say OK here. So my invoicing should also be completed in a second here. Okay, my invoicing is also completed. So this was all about how you can actually use sales order, transfer order, like when you are doing a sales order process. Thank you for watching this video.